Welcome to Tales from the Caveside, where Lillian and Chris, we bought a cave house and finca on the outskirts of a small Spanish town. Follow us as we learn to renovate and create a home that we will be proud of.
Hello.
Hello.
Testing 1, 2, 4. I missed out 3. Why not?
Idiot.
Oh yes. Okay, we're in the shade. It's very bright outside.
You're still squinting though. Don't you think what we look like, but hey ho.
Squints.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, it's been a interesting week or so.
Interesting is a good way of putting it.
Yes. Yes, it is actually.
Honestly, you've got to laugh or you might start crying.
Yes. But it's what it is. So yeah, it's still a building site. We still live in a building site. But it is entertaining. It is fun. And
which part of it's fun? The dirt, the dust, the muck.
The not falling out ever. It's
No, we don't fall out, but hey ho.
No, it's
What a way to live.
it's like I don't know. It's like the Divine Comedy, I think, or something like that. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. Anyway, the other day, one of our friends who lives the other side was going up to the little monument up there. We'll show you, turn it around in a second and show you. And she says, "Oh, I'm up the top, and I'm just taking some pictures. Would you like me to send you some?" "Oh, yes, please. I've taken a picture of your house and I've zoomed in as well. So if that might be some good to you, if you want it, you might enjoy it." But yeah, it was. It's quite an interesting thing.
It is. It looks like a small hill from here.
Yeah.
However, I wouldn't like to climb it, to be fair, in this heat.
No.
And then it would be a shame to climb it on a day that's overcast because you wouldn't get the same views. So it's one of those catch-22s.
Yes, it is.
It's certainly significantly higher than it looks by the quality of the picture.
Yes.
But you can see our place from the top of the hill.
And actually, from down here, when you look at it, you see people up there. They're like little tiny dots at the base. So it doesn't look very big from here. But then when you see people up there, the people really don't look very big at all. So
Yeah,
it obviously is big.
Yeah.
One day we'll go up there. So
One day. When we got the time to kill just because.
yeah, and when it's not so hot.
Yeah.
So just turn the camera around, so hopefully you'll be able to see it. And we'll see what we can see. There it is. There it is. So that little bump up there on this screen is where it is. And we often say we're right on the border close to Murcia. And in a few days' time, we'll be allowed to go the other side of the bottom of that hill. Over there. And that's, over there is Murcia. Yeah, it's about a 10-minute walk by road in a straight line. I think you could actually hit a cricket ball with a good shot and actually land in there. "Can I have my ball back, please?"
No, it's in
No,
Russia.
you
You can't cross the border.
Yeah, that's it. That's it indeed. So, hopefully you'll enjoy the video. And we're going to keep doing what we do because we're doing it for our entertainment as well as other people's. And also so we've got something to look back on. So if you like what we're doing, please like, subscribe, and please comment as well if you like it or if you think we could do a better job. It'd be awesome.
As we've explained before, pipework's going to come out of upstairs down here. We now need to dig a trench from where it hits the floor here to where its exit is over there, where there's currently a moped. These marble floor tiles we've removed underneath the cement. There were two cemented together though there. They wouldn't come up to be saved. We're hoping if we can save them, we can either reuse them or they'll be of some use to somebody else. But under here, we have got false pepper tree roots. We had the false pepper tree removed 2 years ago, and its trunk was maybe 10 metres from here.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, something like that.
Maybe not that far.
However, we have this concrete roof,
Yeah.
floor, something.
Reason why we know it's definitely from the false pepper tree is because you break it and it's still alive. You can actually smell the pepper. Yeah, it smells like pepper. And for those people that don't know, the false pepper tree produces the peppercorns that are red. You get in the mix things of pepper.
Yeah,
They're the red ones.
Yeah, yeah. It was a beautiful tree, but we had it removed because we knew it was invasive. We didn't quite realise it was managed to travel this far. But this is definitely...
You can see where the roots...
Yeah, but this floor roof thing is definitely a thing. It's on purpose.
Maybe for water collection back in the day. Maybe.
Maybe all sorts of things. Time team, where are you? We need you for a weekend.
Oh. They have moles here. Oh, glass.
This varies so much in thickness. Look at the thickness here
Yeah.
to nothing there.
By the looks of it, these holes are here prior to this being done, because that drip mat lines up with that hole.
Yes, they
That
poured
come from
cement
there.
and it went down into the hole that was already there.
Yeah. This is made up. Like we thought.
Yep.
It's backfilled.
Yeah, that's a rock there.
That's rocks. Stonehenge.
Idiot.
You ready?
Yep.
Strengthy bloke.
Crazy.
Have concrete, will travel.
So continuing down in this archaeological pit, there's the root that we are in the process of removing, but we also have to remove the floor going that way. Moved a couple of rocks and we found this. This is a nest of some description, ripped up plastic bags, sweetie papers, snails, seeds. Real weird mixture of stuff. I can't imagine that was somebody's packed lunch that they just put in the floor. It's definitely a nest of some description. And our random assortment of things found in walls and floors is growing. We have various bones. I'm assuming somebody didn't take their packed lunch away with them when they'd finished. There's some shells. This is part of a pot. Seeds from apricot or peach. That's a little shiny button. And that is a gun shell cartridge. Oh, and a bottle top. All very random. So I had to pop out for a couple of hours this morning and I've come back to this. The trench has got bigger. The root is ridiculous. it goes under this part of the wall, the first bit that we fixed. We can't dig under here because the house has no foundations. Having been an ex-cave and then built on top, we just can't go that way. So we're going to have to cut it here, and then when we excavate outside, search for the other end of the route and kill off that bit. Well, apparently today it's not skips are the place to be, but dirty bits of builder's plastic. He's king of his plastic whatever mess, the state of it. And these are the roots we've removed so far. Fingers crossed that's the last of them. Look at the size of those monsters. There's my hand for a size. Completely crazy. So this is the door where we've been left with when we removed the old corral door. Can you see the lovely angle? It goes up on my left and down to the right. So Chris is going to cut it. And just like that. It's much bigger. Still at a jaunty angle. Maybe. Don't know. Doesn't matter. It's bigger. That's what matters.
I would say if you look from the other side, because the ceiling on the other side is level, it's a bit of an optical illusion.
Yes, where these bricks have been put up on this side, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. You put a spirit level to this ceiling and it is level, and this is level to it. Más o menos. So it'll look super duper.
Super duper. Or not.
At least you won't clonk your head all the time now.
No, broken pogo stick.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of Tales from the Caveside. If you enjoy what we're doing, please like and subscribe. We would really appreciate it.